What if I told you that you could make some extra Christmas money without getting a job? I know how stressful it can feel when the holidays are just around the corner and your wallet is feeling a bit empty. In this video, I'm going to tell you some practical ways to make some extra money online very quickly using skills and tools that you already have. Watch this until the end because by the time you're done, you'll have some easy, actionable ideas to start making money before Christmas even arrives. Now, before we dive in, I've got some free guides to help you start your online business and create new income streams online. You can get instant access to them through the link in the description below. And just very quickly, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with number one, which is to use skills that you already have to offer simple online services for Christmas. I want you to understand that you can make some extra Christmas money using skills that you already have. You can start by thinking about what people are struggling with during the holiday season. Things like last minute gift shopping, holiday emails, or even social media content. So let me give you a practical idea. You can check Etsy or Facebook groups for sellers who need some help posting products or even just creating holiday themed style graphics. Many small business owners out there are very overwhelmed and willing to pay for some simple support, so you can step in, help them out and earn some money. So even just organising gift lists or scheduling posts can count as some valuable help. Seasonal demand is very high and people are actively looking for some help right now. I recommend focusing on one Christmas related service at first so you don't get too overwhelmed. If you use Canva, you can create holiday themed social media posts, gift tags, or even just printable cards or other holiday themed graphics. Now, if you're comfortable with the emails, you can help businesses send out their holiday newsletters as well. I suggest picking a task that you can confidently deliver in a day or even less. Specialising in a seasonal service makes it easier to find clients and earn some money very quickly. Holiday-focused work often has urgent demand. You can make your service offers crystal clear using Google Documents or Notion, so let me walk you through it. You want to write down exactly what you will do, how long it will take, and what the client will actually receive. For example, I will design 10 Christmas-themed Instagram posts with captions and holiday-themed related hashtags in 48 hours. So there's a simple example you can use. Now, clear offers reduce confusion and build trust. Clients will respond better when they know exactly what to expect. Specific holiday services sell much faster than generic ones. Now you can make extra Christmas money by offering holiday themed social media services online, and it's easier than you might think. For example, you could create festive Instagram or Facebook posts, design eye-catching holiday banners, or even just make short TikToks or Reels videos using tools like Canva, Photoshop or CapCut or InVideo. You can also write engaging captions and trending holiday hashtags using ChatGPT or a tool like AllHashtag to help businesses further boost their social media engagement. Now, when your content is ready, you can schedule everything in advance with platforms like Meta Business Suite and Later.com, so your clients don't have to worry about posting it themselves. Now, to get started, you want to reach out to small businesses, Etsy sellers, local shops, or even online creators through Facebook groups, Instagram DMs, or even using Fiverr.com. Even just taking on one client and creating a whole load of content can earn you some quick money before Christmas. So you can actually help these business owners manage their social media and get more business before Christmas. And because the demand is very high during the festive season, you can actually charge a little bit more for the urgency. So with just a few hours of work and the right tools, you can actually provide some real value, you can relieve some client stress, and you can actually earn some quick money during the festive season. Now, if you struggle to find some clients, I want you to focus where holiday helpers are needed. Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups for small businesses, Etsy sellers or local shops are some good options as well. Now, you can just post some polite offers or reply to people asking for some support. So let me tell you, many small business owners are really scrambling during December and are willing to pay for some reliable help. Even just helping someone set up a quick holiday campaign can turn into an immediate income, so just focus on those urgent tasks that you can provide. I want to help you avoid the tech overwhelm as well by keeping things very simple. You can use Google Drive to share your files, you can use Trello to track the tasks, and Loom or Zoom to record the instructions for your clients. Canva is really good for quick holiday graphics, and MailChimp or ConvertKit or even Brevo for Christmas email campaigns. If you don't know these tools very well, you can find some tutorials on YouTube to help you out. Now, using these simple tools helps you to move fast and deliver results very quickly during the busy holiday season. Now, you can build some credibility by being reliable and consistent with holiday deadlines. I recommend sending updates to clients every step of the way to keep them in the loop. If you promise to deliver a holiday newsletter by tomorrow, then make sure it is ready. So let me tell you, reliability is even more valuable during Christmas because timing is critical. Clients often return next year if you deliver on time. Small acts of dependability create repeat opportunities during the holidays. If you want to get paid faster, I suggest offering task-based pricing for holiday work. You can charge per graphic, per newsletter, or even social media post, or even just use simple bundles. You can use PayPal, Stripe, or Wise for instant payment as well. So let me walk you through it. You want to agree on the holiday task, deliver it, and then just send a simple invoice. Then you get paid. Quick seasonal work keeps cash flowing in. Completing one Christmas task can lead to multiple different requests. I want you to understand that improving one small holiday skill can make a big difference. You can learn Canva holiday templates, MailChimp scheduling, or even Photoshop basics in a short time. I suggest spending 30 to 60 minutes a day improving your skills for Christmas tasks. Even just small upgrades allow you to deliver faster and impress clients. Seasonal practice right now can turn into lasting confidence. Happens with focused effort. Now, if you struggle with the confidence, I want you to start by helping just one client with a holiday task. So completing one task proves you can deliver results and build some belief in yourself. So let me tell you, the first Christmas project is always the hardest, but it opens up the doors for many more. You can find clients on Fiverr.com, Upwork, or even local Facebook groups offering holiday help. Even one successful task can snowball into multiple paid opportunities. Holiday-specific work is fast, urgent, and very rewarding. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to sell holiday printables and digital products online. I want you to understand that digital products are a fast and flexible way to make money for Christmas. You can create printables like gift tags, holiday planners, budget trackers, or Christmas card templates. Tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or even Google Slides makes designing very easy, even if you are a beginner. Seasonal products are in high demand because people want instant downloads to save time. You don't need to ship anything, which keeps the costs very low. One simple product can be sold multiple times, which multiplies your income. I recommend starting with one type of printable that you can create very quickly. For example, you can design a simple Christmas budget tracker or a gift list sheet in Canva using festive colours and festive fonts. So let me just walk you through it. You can just choose a simple template, customize it with some Christmas and holiday themed designs, and then just save it as a simple PDF. Simple and practical products often sell much faster than complex ones. So focusing on one product helps you get started very quickly. Seasonal needs make this type of product highly marketable. Now, you can sell your products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even payhip.com, or even use Standstore on your social media channels like your Instagram. I suggest creating a clear listing with attractive images showing how your product can be used and the benefits people can get. You want to include keywords like Christmas gift planner or holiday budget printable. And you can use websites like Answer the Public to find out what people are searching for and asking on Google. So you want to do a bit of keyword research here and find out what festive terms people are actually searching for on Google, so buyers can find it much more easily. So let me tell you, a well-presented listing builds trust and drives more sales quicker. Seasonal shoppers search for ready-to-use solutions. Visibility is the key to earning very quickly. Now, if you struggle with the marketing, you can promote your printables on social media using Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest to show your product in action. For example, someone filling out a gift tracker or hanging your printable decorations. These are some good examples. I suggest creating short videos like Reels or carousel posts using Canva or CapCut, and you can use both of these for free. Social proof encourages people to buy. Highlighting the convenience and the benefits of your product is especially effective for busy holiday shoppers. I want you to understand that pricing matters for seasonal products, so you can start with a simple $5 to $15 per printable, depending on the complexity. So you want to keep it under $20. So let me give you a simple tip. You can bundle a few related printables together, like a gift planner, a budget sheet, to increase the perceived value. Customers are usually willing to pay more for complete solutions. Seasonal urgency allows you to position products as a must-have for Christmas preparation. Smart pricing will help to boost your income very quickly. You can improve your products over time by gathering some feedback from your buyers. I suggest asking customers for suggestions or reviews after the purchase. Platforms like Etsy allow reviews, which helps to build credibility. So let me walk you through it. One small tweak based on some feedback can make your product much more appealing and increase the sales. Seasonal products benefit from rapid iteration. Happy buyers often lead to repeat purchases. I recommend leveraging free tools to make your process much quicker. Canva has thousands of Christmas templates. Unsplash or Pexels provides some free royalty images and free videos. And Google Fonts offers some festive typography. So you can use all these sites for free: Canva, Unsplash and even Pexels to create your content. Now you can combine these to create attractive printables, and it'll only take you about an hour. So let me tell you, speed really does matter during the holidays because buyers want solutions very quickly. Efficiency increases the number of products that you can actually sell. If you want to expand your reach, consider creating digital bundles or themed packs. So if you want to expand your reach, you want to think about creating digital bundles or some themed holiday packs. For example, a 12 Days of Christmas printable pack or a holiday planner set can attract more buyers. I suggest showcasing the entire bundle in one image or one carousel post to make it very easy for people to visualize. Bundles are perceived as higher value, so they are a good idea to go with. Seasonal buyers love the convenience and the ready-made solutions. I want you to understand that starting now can lead to some quick holiday sales. Even if you only create 1 or 2 printables this week, you can just list them immediately and start earning some money. So let me tell you, digital products sell repeatedly, unlike one-off tasks. Seasonal demand is very high, and people are actively searching for quick, usable solutions. So if you can just create a simple digital product to help people save some time or save some money or both during Christmas, it's going to do very well. And with simple tools, some clear listings and some festive appeal, you can make some extra money for Christmas very quickly. Wow, that's it for this video. Now, if you're ready to start building your online business and creating new online income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the comments, where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.